Most organizations deploying Microsoft Copilot have one massive problem. They turned on AI before they governed the data. Copilot searches everything: SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, email. Microsoft Purview governs it. If your environment is misconfigured, Purview exposes it instantly. And here's the real issue. 80% of Microsoft 365 tenants we audit have governance gaps. That's where Microsoft Purview changes everything. Purview controls sensitivity labels, data classification, retention policies, insider risk, information protection. Without governance, AI becomes risk. With governance, AI becomes enterprise intelligence. EPC Group helps organizations secure Microsoft 365, Copilot, and Fabric environments using Microsoft Purview governance frameworks, built from 29 years of Microsoft enterprise experience, 5,200 plus Microsoft implementations, 700 plus Microsoft 365 tenant engagements, 4 consecutive G2 Leader Awards, perfect Net Promoter Score of 100. Because AI without governance is just accelerated chaos. Book your Microsoft Purview and Copilot governance assessment today. Email us at contact@epcgroup.net or call 888-381-9725. And let's get this done right.